Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think and Write. I'm back with another new video and my today's video topic is 10 lines on apple. First of all, I hope you all are fine, good, happy and safe. And as you all know, I make one drawing in every video. So here also I have made a drawing of an apple. And now I am going to start writing. First line, apple is a fruit. Second line, it is red in color. Third line, it is very beneficial for health. Fourth line, it is a rich source of antioxidants. Fifth line, there is a proverb on it. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sixth line, apples are available in winter season. Seventh line, it is sweet in taste. Eighth line, apples are used to make jams as well. Ninth line, they are mostly produced in Jammu Kashmir. 10th line, many people love to eat an apple. Thank you. Please do like, share.